Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add keyframes in CapCut on PC. Keyframes are super easy and useful for creating custom animations in your videos like zooming in and out or moving things around the screen. So let's start the video. First open up CapCut. By the way, keyframes are points in the video that define the starting and ending points of a smooth transition or animation. To add a keyframe, click on the media in the timeline where you want to add it. Then at the top right of the screen, below the video and basic tabs, find the position and size drop-down menu. Look to the right and you will see a little diamond. Click on it to add a keyframe. For this tutorial, let's create a simple zoom in effect using keyframes. Add a keyframe where you want the zoom to start and another keyframe where you want it to end. Adjust the end keyframe to zoom in a little bit. Now, when you play your video, it will gradually zoom in. If you need to readjust a keyframe, just find it on the timeline and put your cursor over it. That's the basics of keyframes. One quick tip is that if you can't find a keyframe, click on the video and look for two arrows next to the diamond at the top right. Click on these arrows to go to the next and last keyframes. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel.